You are not at the top. You never were. Ancient humans were more terrifying. No claws, no venom, no armor, just a soft, slow, naked animal. Yet they hunted everything. They dominated every continent on Earth. How did a naked ape do that? The answer is darker than you think. Go back 300,000 years. Homo sapiens appear in Africa. They lived in small bands, 15 to 50 people, no more. Everyone knew everyone else completely, but they faced something massive, a world of megafauna and predators. They should have gone extinct. Instead, they became the apex predator. But how did a band of 50 do that? The answer is one word: cooperation, not just working together temporarily, deeply, biologically, chemically bound together. Researcher Michael Tomasello at Duke University discovered this. Humans alone share intentional goals with strangers. No other animal does this. Even chimpanzees, our closest cousins, cannot. This is called shared intentionality, and it turned prey into predators. But cooperation alone isn't the full story. Ancient humans carried something else entirely: a relentless, obsessive drive to persist. Persistence hunting. No other species does this. They ran prey to total exhaustion. Lions sprint, then quit. Humans never quit. This is documented by anthropologist Louis Liebenberg. Sand bushmen still hunt this way today. The kill takes 8 hours of running. Your brain inherited this same wiring. When you don't quit, that is why. But ancient humans carried a darker tool too: violence. Strategic, coordinated, cold. Archaeological evidence shows organized warfare 10,000 years ago. Nadaruk, Kenya, 27 skeletons, all massacred, hands bound, skulls crushed, left deliberately. This was not random animal aggression. This was planned, organized, ruthless. Ancient humans understood consequence and chose it. That capacity still lives inside you. Here is where it gets uncomfortable. That cooperation wiring now powers tribalism. The drive to persist now fuels obsession. That capacity for violence now needs no prey. You carry a predator's brain in a peaceful world, and no one warned you about that. But here is what changes everything. You are not broken. You are ancient. Your restlessness is 300,000 years of survival. Your rage is a spear that never left your hand. Your loyalty is a tribe bond older than language. You were not built for safety. You were built for survival, and those are not the same thing. You were not built for safety. You were built for survival, and those are not the same thing. Tonight, remember what you actually are. Not anxious, not broken, not too much. Descended from the most terrifying thing alive. That is what you carry. What ancient instinct rose in you recently? Rage, protectiveness, an instinct you couldn't explain. Tonight, before you sleep, try this. Think of one thing you refuse to quit. Ask, is that ancient in me? The answer will surprise you.